Spectroquant Prove. Just prove it. The following video describes the advantages of the Spectroquant Prove system and explains how different features work. To begin, click the On switch at the back of the instrument. The program will take a few moments to start. When the software is ready, you will be asked to check for any remaining cells. Please make sure that there are no cuvettes inside the instrument. Close the lid and press Start. The instrument will then run an automatic check on the operating system, lamp, and wavelength accuracy. Next, if the user management is activated, you must log in by entering your user ID, creating a new account, or signing in as a guest. Tap the drop-down menu and select the account you wish to use. Depending on your account, you may have limited functions. After logging in, you will be ready to start measuring. Spectroquant Prove's intuitive smart screen makes navigating through the software as easy as possible. Simply tap on an icon in the menu to select your desired function. The touch screen isn't just easier, but also smarter. It integrates even more details, so you have all the information you need in a single, clear overview. The measurement result is displayed in large, easy-to-read characters. Next to it, you will find the unit, such as milligrams per liter, and the citation, for example, NH4-N. You can easily customize these by tapping the unit or citation button. The icon bar above the result displays your personal settings. These can be easily adjusted through the Settings menu. For example, you can enter sample or reagent blanks, add turbidity corrections for turbid samples, or assign a dilution factor. The vertical bar on the right of the screen shows the measuring range for the method you selected. The blue line indicates where your result lies within the range. To specify a smaller measuring range, tap the Settings icon, then tap User-Defined Range. Enter minimum and maximum values, then tap OK. The user-defined range is shown in white within the preset measuring range. The toolbar at the top of the screen displays the name of the function currently selected. If a hazard symbol appears in this bar, tap the symbol to see the alert. You will be warned if something is wrong with the system. The bar on the bottom of the screen displays brief information about the test kit currently in use, including its catalog number, parameter, sample ID, and dilution factor. For further information, such as cell type and size, tap the Information button. If you use our Spectroquant cell test kits, you can insert the round cell directly into the cell port. These kits contain virtually all reagents necessary for the analysis. When used with Spectroquant Prove, the system automatically selects the correct analysis method in the instrument. All important information regarding lot number, method selection, expiry date, and calibration updates are provided on our new Live ID barcode. Match the white line on the label with the dot on the cell port. The measurement will start automatically. When using a cell test kit for the first time, you will be asked to perform a zero adjustment. You will need the zero cell which was supplied with Spectroquant Prove. Replacement zero cells are also sold separately. Insert the zero cell and the measurement will start immediately. Then insert your sample again. In Setup 3, the expiration time of the zero adjustment value can be entered manually. If you use various Spectroquant test kits, the Quick Zero function will help you speed things up. It allows you to perform zero adjustment for every wavelength used in the methods of our test kits with a single touch. If you are using one of our reagent test kits, prepare your sample as described in the kit. These convenient test kits contain highly stable, ready-to-use reagent mixtures and an auto-selector, which also uses our Live ID barcode system to automatically select the appropriate method in Spectroquant Prove. Open the lid and insert the auto-selector. Then place your cell in the measurement area. Spectroquant Prove will automatically adapt the measuring range to the size of your cuvette. The new mechanical cell size recognition is more durable and reduces errors. Thanks to ambient light protection, there's no need to close the lid during measurement. If you need to perform zero adjustment, remove the cell with your sample, select zero adjustment, and insert a cuvette with distilled water. the measurement will start immediately. Spectroquant Prove 600 also offers a more sensitive measuring option using 100 mm cuvettes. Insert the auto selector for method recognition as usual. Then remove the auto selector and the round cell holder. Now you can insert your 100 mm cuvette and start your analysis. Spectroquant Prove also simplifies your daily analysis through intelligent design features like an easy-to-clean measurement area. Simply remove the cell holder, rinse it with water, wipe it clean, and it's ready for your next measurement. Spectroquant Prove supports several languages. When you switch on the instrument for the first time, a list of language options is automatically displayed after startup. After the first switch on, you can select any language of your choice. Choose Instrument Setup, then select Setup to. Select the desired language. Tap the Save button to confirm. Select the desired date and time. Tap the Save button to confirm. Spectroquant Prove gives you data on demand like never before. Its ingenious software lets you easily manage and customize your results to suit your needs. There are multiple ways to share your results with others, and you have several filter options to choose from, such as by mode, by username, or by date. Tap the results icon to see all your measurements listed according to date. Tap the calendar icon to filter by a certain period of time. To filter by username, tap the Options menu at the top. Then tap User and select the desired username. Spectroquant Prove also provides you with a trend analysis, so you can study multiple measurements of a particular method at once. Select your desired results by tapping the empty square beside each measurement. Then tap the Trend Analysis button. You can now monitor if your results are within your defined range or not. With Spectroquant Prove, you won't need a data mining program to transfer data. The instrument will do it for you with a few simple taps. After you select your required data, simply insert a USB device into Spectroquant Prove and tap the Export button. Your data will be automatically transferred to the device. To print your measurements, just connect your printer to the instrument and tap Print. Spectroquant Prove makes data transfer incredibly fast and easy. The matrix check function helps you test whether other substances in your sample are interfering with your photometric determination. After your measurement, simply tap the settings icon and select Matrix Check. Spectroquant Prove will guide you through the whole process. A matrix check can be performed through addition or dilution. The process can be streamlined by using the Spectroquant CombiCheck R2 addition solution or Merck Millipore's ready-to-use CRM standards, which are pre-programmed on Spectroquant Prove. The required volumes of sample and standard will be shown on the screen. Prepare your measurement as usual, but add the required amount of R2 solution immediately after adding the required amount of your sample. Insert the cuvette, and the system will run a matrix check. Alternatively, you can perform a matrix check using your own standards. When doing so, adapt the number of dilutions or additions to your needs. If your result is within the range of the matrix check, you have no interferences in your matrix, and your original result shows the correct amount of sample you measured. However, if your matrix check is out of range, your original result may not be correct due to interferences in your matrix. Please check your sample preparation routine for adaptations to eliminate or reduce possible interferences. We also recommend that you refer to the package insert for additional information about possible interfering substances. AQA Prime makes analytical quality assurance exceptionally secure and extremely easy. Tap the AQA icon for a clear overview of AQA status, information, updates, and options. AQAs can be activated, paused, or reactivated at any stage to suit your schedule. To check the validity of AQAs, select Status in the AQA menu. You'll see at a glance which AQAs need to be updated and when. All device and system checks can be handled completely independently of each other. You can set a period of time or a number of measurements between AQA updates. If you are about to perform a measurement using a method for which you set an AQA, you will be notified if the AQA has expired. To check the status of an AQA for a specific method, go to the AQA menu and select AQA2. Using the name search, enter the name of the method. If the AQA for this method has expired, you will see an exclamation mark. All AQA measurements can be accessed in the results list, where you can select AQA1 or AQA2. To see the protocol of a specific AQA, simply tap your desired method in the list. All CRM standards and CombiCheck solutions offered for AQA tests are pre-programmed on Spectroquant Prove. The instrument supports and guides you through each test to ensure the security of your analytical results. The PhotoCheck function allows you to test the status of your Spectroquant Prove spectrophotometer, giving you an economical alternative to expensive filter sets. Simply go to the AQA menu, tap AQA1, and select PhotoCheck. The software will provide all necessary information and instructions. Please adapt the target values according to the PhotoCheck package insert and click Save. The table shows the required measurements, which cell you need to enter next, expected results, and tolerance. Follow the directions in the table and insert the correct cell for every measurement. You will immediately see whether a measurement has passed or failed the test. If you are still not sure whether your instrument is working correctly, contact our service and support team for a personalized Spectroquant service plan at www.merckmillipore.com/water-analytics-service. CombiCheck allows you to test the status of your whole system. To perform this check, go to the AQA menu, tap AQA2, and select your desired method from the list. In this example, we select ammonium. You will be given instructions about which CombiCheck standard solution to use. Please adapt the target values according to the CombiCheck package insert and click Save. A single measurement using the R1 solution will tell you whether your system is working correctly. Prepare your measurement as usual, but use the standard solution instead of your sample. Insert the cuvette and the measurement will start. The instrument will show you immediately whether you achieved the target concentration or not. If your results are outside the target concentration range, you can test the accuracy of your pipette measurements using the pipette check. This test is also instrument supported and pre-programmed. For some methods, instead of test kits, we offer additional applications for more special requirements. Tap on the method list icon and select Applications as your search criteria. Application notes and instructions about which chemicals to use are available in the Spectroquant Prove manual. We offer a few special applications that are not freely available. To obtain these, go to www.merckmillipore.com/special-applications and enter your contact details. We will send you an email with the application notes so you can start your analysis. After you prepare your sample according to our application notes, tap the method list icon to select your desired method. You can scroll through the alphabetical list of pre-programmed methods or enter several search criteria to refine your search. Select the search method icon and enter the first few letters of your desired method. For example, to search for the bromate method, enter BRO or the method number and tap OK. After selecting the application method, you can insert your sample, start your measurement, and the result will be shown immediately.